It's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos. I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see man, analyze that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I was having a conversation with CSI, and I had discussed this before in a video probably like 2 years ago, year and a half ago, that the laws, the rules that are on the books that give these bad actors undue power over retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules are unconstitutional. And a lot of people really didn't understand what I was saying, but I'm going to tell you guys something. I'm going to read the 14th Amendment to you guys, and then after I read it, I'm going to break down why the rules set in place with these market maker exceptions and the DTCC under unlimited immunity and FINRA and their unlimited immunity is unconstitutional in my opinion, and it needs to be addressed by the courts. Okay? The 14th Amendment says, all persons born or naturalized in the United States are subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the law. And the most important part of that to me is the equal protection of the law. The court has held so many times, and it started with Brown versus Board of Education, that you can't have laws in place that benefit one segment of society while disenfranchising another segment of society. So these rules that are put in place that allow these market makers to rob and steal from retail investors and pension funds and institutions with no repercussions whatsoever is unconstitutional in my opinion, because they don't afford everybody equal protection under the law. These rules that give this so-called immunity to DTCC and FINRA, where they could conspire to rob and steal from retail investors with no consequence, with no repercussions, are a violation of the 14th Amendment, our equal protection under the law. And the courts need to step in and tell these bad actors that they cannot do that, that the laws that they have put in place because they they donate to politicians to vote on these rules that benefit them, but these rules benefit this small segment of society, the market makers, the hedge funds, the so-called regulatory agencies like FINRA and DTCC. But they disenfranchise a majority of the population, retail investors, pension funds, institutions that follow the law. So as far as I'm concerned, all these laws that they have on the book, these market makers exceptions, this unqualified immunity to do whatever you want in the stock market, these are rules that are unconstitutional, and the court should hold it as such. And I will be adding that, if not to this lawsuit, to a future lawsuit, because there is no room in the USA to have rules that benefit a small segment of society while disenfranchising another segment of society robbing them of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the rules that give these market maker exceptions to rob and steal from retail investors, that allow FINRA DTCC to rob and steal with no consequences, do you think that robbed you of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.